Hi everyone. Well, I created this very low chignon. I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron crown lift. This is a small hair pad from my range, and I'm going to place that under the ponytail. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some beautiful texture using a 2-strand braid. Now, all of these techniques that I design are designed for you. You can see nice up close, you can sort of see everything that's going on. Now, this is the short version video. There is another video that's about 6 minutes long that gives you all the little tips and tricks on how to get this hairstyle looking amazing. Just become a member today of my Access Long Hair members family. It's so much fun, and there's over 380, I think, hairstyles, probably even more. Simple, wonderful, step-by-step hairstyles. Here we go. This hairstyle, I think, would be perfect to add into your bridal collection.